It's minus, oh my god, a minute. Hi, it's -2 and I'm walking down to Nag's Head, which is about a mile and a half maybe. And I'm going to have a beer and walk back. Okay, here we are. See, well, not Nag's Head, but it's a Black Horse. No, I don't like the Black Horse, but it's a bit too foody for me. Unless you're having a burger or something, steak and chips, they don't like serving you or anything like that. So we're going to boycott this and move on to Nag's Head. I'm just hoping this path I'm going down don't get too slippy. Bring you back in a minute. Just approaching the bridge, Noddy line that goes down to Newport. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just up there. I'll just keep the camera running. It's been a misty day all day today, to be fair. You can see that, but the canal's frozen. The beach from the other side. Just going through the churchyard. It's a bit creepy to say the least. Bring you back in a minute when I get to the Nag's Head. Watching as the sunlight does the same. Everything we are is on the line. Let's pretend it's not us tonight. Okay, destination is in sight. Nag's Head up there. Bloody cold water though, I'll tell you that. I'm going to have a pint of Moretti or Estrella, I'm not sure yet. I'll see what I feel like when I get in there, how busy it is as well. Nag's Head. Lovely pub this. It's a good balance between food and beer, and not too far from my house. I think this is the first time I've ever walked in here. Normally I cycle everywhere, but it's too cold for that malarkey. So here we are. They've converted the car park during COVID so you can all sit outside. Obviously not this weather. Okay, we've been to the Nag's Head. Going to have a pint there. We have a pint now in the Black Horse, which is just down there. So I'll just walk you over the bridge and then we'll have a look at the traffic. They're building some houses down here. And I think they're flattening the road off down to it, but the canal's just down there as well. So you've got traffic lights now, just here. Okay, this is Newport Road. The Black Horse is down there. I'll bring you back in a minute when I get a bit closer. Here we are.